If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. It's important that color is consistent in your images as they are processed. Color management refers to the system of attempting to keep the colors in your images as consistent as possible from the screen or monitor display to the final printed product. This can be a complex task because each machine encountered, meaning printer, computer, scanner, etc., takes the raw color values and interprets them differently. You should set the color management settings that Elements will use when creating or opening files. To choose which color management settings to use, select Edit, Color Settings from the menu bar. After making your selection, simply click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.